my quad lock setup showed up in the mail. Got the magnetic phone case, the blue ring, the brake clutch mount, and a vibration dampener. So I'm going to do this separate and just kind of start opening this up and this and see what we got. So we have a couple of different bolt options, standard and metric, a couple of spacers, and you got your quad lock set up here. Feels pretty sturdy. Loosen this to adjust it side to side, up and down. So yeah, it's all together now. Pretty easy. Just pop the screw out. The vibration dampener accessory comes with the screw that you just mount the adapter here, or the whatever, and then screw it back in. You can move it all around however you want. I kind of have it off to an angle right now, but I guess we'll see when it's all together. So it mounted up good with the metric screw, and there's the little spacer there. Put the brake lever back in the same original position, tightened it down. I'm sure there's a torque spec for this, but I just snugged it up for now. Don't over tighten it because you could strip it out or you could snap it. Got this in the position I wanted. That way when I put the phone here, I can mount it vertically, and I'll show you what that looks like. Just wanted to add this into the video as well. I picked up this kickstand pad. You can see here it's kind of machined out to sit in here like that. And then this plate goes over it to lock everything in place. Alright, I got it tightened pretty good. I don't think it's going anywhere. Sits the bike upright a little more. Cool. Another eBay find. I think it was like 10 or 15 bucks. I wanted to point out another item too. This radiator guard I just got it from eBay. Less than 20 bucks. Pretty easy install.
How did it feel when you left me? I watched you go as you just disappeared. A tearful goodbye, and then you were gone. You left me in the street standing alone.